After that, doing Allahu Akbar, you put right hand on the left hand like this. It should be in the middle of your chest, on your chest, or below the chest. That's completely fine and there is no harm in it. After making the takbirah and saying Allahu Akbar, and you putting your both hands on your chest, you have to recite the opening of the prayer. And there are many opening of the prayer. I'm saying opening of the prayer, not opening of the surah or the chapter of Quran. So number one, what you will do, Allahu Akbar, and then you do the opening. There are many openings of the Salah. One of the most popular one is Subhanaka Allahumma wa bihamdik wa tabaraka ismuk wa ta'ala jadduk wa la ilaha ghayruk.